Hey, what's happening everybody? In today's video, I am going to show you how to create an email signature like this. Welcome back to Longcrack, and I have a little bit of a different style video for you today. I wanted to make a video on an email signature because I'm emailing a lot of people, and I noticed that a lot of the emails I receive don't have signatures, and this is from lawn care and landscaping guys to guys at big corporate companies and everywhere in between. So I feel like obviously if you don't have it, it's something that you can do one time and then it's done, and it just makes your business look a little more professional with every email you send. And as you can see with this, I have a little call to action asking them to kindly leave us a review if they're happy with our service, because that just helps you grow your business so much these days. Like, the online reviews are absolutely crucial. So this is mine. So I just clicked new mail, and this is already pre-populated. I don't have to type this out every time. I don't have to add these links or nothing like that. So that's why it's really slick. So I don't exactly know which email platform you're using. Zoho is a free service you can use to get a custom at your domain email. That is what we use when we build our client sites. So if you need a custom email, you can go to Zoho and get one for free. It does take a little technical knowledge to set up, but it's not that bad. So I went into, I'll just show you to get to mine, and I went to settings, and let me just go right here. So settings, and it brought this up. So I narrowed it down to mail, and then here's my signatures. So we're just going to look at the one I already did right here, but you could create a new one and give it different rules and stuff for when you're going to use certain signatures, if that would apply. But we're just going to make a basic cover all signature. So what I did is I simply typed all this out, right? I just typed that out, and then I came in here and I made my name bold just to make that stand out. Optimized LLC right here. So one thing I could do to add to this is say something like best regards at the end, so I don't have to type that out every time. I like all the best regards, warm regards, something professional along those lines to close out your email. And then text, pretty standard stuff. So I'm not sure if everyone knows how to get these links in here. Like, say I wanted this to link to my website, all you need to do is highlight that and then click this link button right here. So that says insert link, and then you type in the web address. So you need the HTTP and all that kind of stuff. If it's an S, put the HTTPS and then your URL, and then when somebody clicks on that, it'll take them right to it. So right here, so they click on that, and it's going to take you to the optimized.design website, which is my website for my company Optimized, which does the websites and SEO and all that. So right here I have an image, so I just clicked insert an image. So if, say, we're going to run through that again, I'll come down here to the bottom, insert an image, then just pick it off your computer. I'm working on strong arm stuff here, so say I just throw their logo in here for purposes. So you have different options: small, best fit, original, and then you can kind of align it a little bit. So typically small is going to probably be best for this, bottom, left, whatever. So insert it, and then you can just see how it looks, and then you can certainly change that. So original's way too big. So you have these different options, and then you could always, if you want to get jiggy with your code, you can come in and insert some HTML and stuff like that. So I hope that helps. I just highly recommend that you do this. Like, just make your email signature one time, get your link so they can click to your website and click to email you back. That's not that big of a deal because they can just hit respond. They're obviously in their email reading your email. And then I have my click right here to leave Optimized a direct Google review. So if you click on this, it'll take you right to leave Google, or leave my company Optimized a Google review. So this is pretty slick. If you haven't taken advantage of this, this is another one of the free tools we've built out for you guys and any small business owner. So you come to a page where they can just simply start typing their review, add a photo if they want, all that. So here's the website, and I'll just show you where you can go and how that works to get your Google review. So I made mine. I made this homepage a splash page, kind of, so you can't navigate really easily, but I'm like forcing you to take the desired action that I want. And actually, after creating that new landing page for this website, it has really improved our conversion rate. So, you know what I mean? You got to test and measure on the internet. That's why it's good to have someone doing that for you that really knows what they're doing. And we are really good at this stuff, guys. So right here, you just type your business name or your address in here. As long as you have registered your business properly with Google, it'll pop it out, and then you just copy your direct Google review link right here, and then you'd use that as your hyperlink text. As you know, say we were making this the hyperlink, you would copy that URL right in here, and that would be that. But we're not going to do it. But that, I'll just keep it short and simple, guys. No need to go crazy with this. You know, if you wanted to add in a link to Facebook or Instagram or something like that, if you're real big on that and posting a lot of stuff, you know, maybe you want to get your clients on there so they can see all that. But it's just a simple, quick, easy thing you can do to make yourself look a little more professional. And yeah, I mean, I don't think it's the end of the world if you don't have one, but I don't see why you wouldn't take literally 5 minutes and set that up, and then it's good to go for as long as you're using that email. You never have to do it again. It's going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to cost you 5 minutes. So, little tip, I hope you found value in that. If you liked the video, please remember to like and subscribe. Really appreciate you watching. Until the next video, keep making money.